This is Glenn Scott, the painter, Sun City. I'm at the home of John and Shirley out here in Terramar. This is my second cabinet job in Terramar. Anyway, I will list the color in the video, and let's get started. When I remove the hinges, I always mark, I take them off, but I always mark top and bottom. The handle's down here, so this is the bottom and this is the top. And then I number them, and then I wrap them together with tape. That way there, I don't ever get the hinges mixed up. And if they ever needed any kind of adjustment, when they went on, they're in the same place. There's never any issues.